Hello, Bangalore. Are you looking for any plots or property in Bangalore? Do not worry, we have premium villa plots just 500 meters far away from NS75. So, on the right hand side, I have NS75. On the left hand side, this is the Avalali cross, and within just 500 meters, we have a property on the left side of the road. So, this is Havalali Road. If you just come 500 meters inside, on the left side, you will find a property.
You can see this, the land is DC converted. We have e-Khata with us with NOC from Bangalore Development Authority with also like nominated for BBMP, and we have a clear title property history from 1950. So along with this, you will be having 75 to 80% of loan facility based on the eligibility. And in case if you want to go ahead with the construction also, we have G+3 approval from the Panchayat. So coming to the amenities, you will be getting 43 internal RCC row, electricity, street light, water connection for east side, borewell, underground drainage, rainwater harvesting included by children play area park. So whatever the amenities is required for a layer, you will be finding out there. So coming to the location convenience, so a step ahead of our layout, you will be finding a bus stop and also Indian petrol bunk within the radius of 60 meters. In case if you're looking for any school colleges for your children, so no need to worry about it. We have National Public School within the radius of 100 meters, and you will be finding East Point College within the radius of 1.5 kilometer. In case if you're looking for the facility of hospital, you will be finding East Point College within the radius of 1.5 kilometer for the layout, and also Geeta Hospital within 500 the radius. So the price which we are quoting for the layout is just 6,900 per square feet. What are you thinking more? Please come as soon as possible, book your site. For more information, contact the number which is given below.